Are you tired of upgrading your graphics card every 2 years just to keep up with the latest heavily demanding, poorly optimized AAA games? Have you been waiting for that perfect sweet spot of price, insane performance, and absolute future-proofing? Well, my friends, the wait might finally be over. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a deep, detailed look at an absolute monster of a GPU that has just hit the market. I'm talking about the highly anticipated GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC 16G graphics card. If you are building a brand new high-end gaming desktop, or if you're finally ready to rip out that old bottlenecking GPU from your current rig, you are going to want to stick around for this one. We are going to break down the specs, talk about what these numbers actually mean for your frame rates, and decide if this is the ultimate card for your setup. Spoiler alert, this thing pushes a ridiculous 3060 MHz clock speed. Yes, you heard that right. And hey, if at any point during this video you decide you want to grab one of these beasts for yourself, or just want to check the current pricing and availability, I've dropped a direct Amazon link right down in the description below. Clicking that link helps support the channel, and it ensures you are getting the best current deal available. Now, let's get into the hardware. Let's kick things off by looking at the foundation of the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9070 XT. At its heart, this card is powered by the AMD Radeon RX 9070 XT graphics coprocessor. AMD has been incredibly aggressive with their architecture recently, and this chip is a testament to their push for raw rasterization performance and massive efficiency gains. But what really catches the eye immediately, and what is arguably the most important spec for modern gamers, is the memory. This GIGABYTE Gaming OC model comes locked and loaded with 16 GB of GDDR6 RAM. Why is 16 GB so critical right now? Listen, if you've played any massive open-world games or recent console ports over the last year, you know that VRAM consumption has gone completely through the roof. 8 GB is dead, 12 GB is cutting it close for high resolutions, but 16 GB, that is the golden number. Having 16 GB of incredibly fast GDDR6 memory means you can crank those ultra textures all the way up. You can turn on the highest quality shadows, load up massive high-resolution asset packs, and not have to worry about those brutal, game-ruining stutters when your VRAM spills over into your system memory. Whether you are gaming at 1440p or pushing into beautiful 4K territory, this 16 GB buffer ensures your gameplay remains buttery smooth. Now let's talk about bandwidth. The GIGABYTE RX 9070 XT utilizes the brand new PCIe 5.0 x16 interface. For years, we've been riding the PCIe 4.0 wave, which was great, but as game engines evolve, especially with technologies like direct storage, where games load assets directly from your NVMe SSD to your graphics card, bandwidth becomes a massive bottleneck. By upgrading to PCIe 5.0, GIGABYTE and AMD are giving you double the bandwidth of the previous generation. This means that data travels between your CPU, your motherboard, and your massive 16 GB frame buffer at lightning speeds. While you might not notice a massive difference in an older esports title, this PCIe 5.0 interface is the ultimate insurance policy. As Unreal Engine 5 games become the standard, this card is built to handle the massive data pipelines those games demand without breaking a single sweat. Alright, let's get to the numbers that get every PC builder excited, the clock speeds. Because this is the Gaming OC edition from GIGABYTE, it means it has been factory overclocked right out of the box. This specific GV-R9070 XT Gaming OC 16GD model boasts a mind-blowing GPU clock speed of 3060 MHz. Let that sink in for a second. Over 3 GHz on a graphics core. Just a few years ago, hitting 2 GHz was considered an extreme overclocking milestone. Now GIGABYTE is giving you 3060 MHz out of the box, completely stable and covered under warranty. What does this mean for you? It means raw, brute force Jane frame rates. High clock speeds translate directly to higher peak frame rates, and more importantly, vastly improved 1% lows. That means when the screen is filled with explosions, particle effects, and chaos, your frame rate isn't going to suddenly tank. Paired with this is an ultra-fast memory clock speed hitting effectively up to 2600 MHz. When you combine a 3060 MHz core with lightning-fast GDDR6 memory, the compute performance you are getting out of this desktop graphics card is nothing short of breathtaking. So, we have all this power, but how are you going to view it? The GIGABYTE RX 9070 XT features multiple high-bandwidth display port outputs, ready to drive the most advanced gaming monitors on the market today. And if you are wondering what the ceiling is for this card, the spec sheet lists the maximum display resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. For those keeping track at home, that is true 8K resolution. Now, let's be realistic. Are you going to be playing the heaviest, unoptimized games in 8K at 144 frames per second? Probably not, but having an 8K maximum resolution output means this card is incredibly versatile. For one, it means you can easily drive multiple 4K monitors at high refresh rates without the card struggling. If you're a content creator, a video editor working with 6K or 8K timeline footage, or a 3D animator, this card doubles as an absolute workstation powerhouse. And for gaming, it means 1440p high refresh rate gaming, which is the sweet spot for 90% of PC gamers today.
Is going to be an absolute walk in the park. You will be maximizing the refresh rate of your 144Hz or 240Hz monitors with ease. You might be asking yourself, why should I buy the GIGABYTE Gaming OC version specifically? When you have a GPU pushing over 3000 MHz, it generates heat. You cannot achieve these levels of performance with a basic cooler. GIGABYTE's Gaming OC line is famous for its massive, highly efficient cooling solutions. While the core AMD chip provides the brain, GIGABYTE provides the muscle to keep it running cool and quiet. Their custom heat pipe designs in signature triple fan setups ensure that even during a 6-hour gaming marathon, your card isn't going to thermal throttle. It will maintain that 3060 MHz boost clock consistently. Plus, it just looks incredible in a PC case. It has that premium, aggressive desktop gamer aesthetic that pairs perfectly with any modern build. So, let's bring it all together. Who is the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC actually for? If you are currently gaming on a 1080p 60Hz monitor and have no plans to upgrade, this card is honestly overkill for you. But if you are stepping up to a 1440p ultra-wide or a gorgeous 4K OLED gaming monitor, this is exactly the engine you need to drive it. If you are a gamer who refuses to turn down the in-game settings, if you want the sliders all the way to the right, ultra textures, maximum draw distance, the 16 GB of GDDR6, and that massive 3060 MHz clock speed are going to give you that premium, uncompromised experience. It is also an incredible choice for streamers and creators. The PCIe 5.0 interface and massive memory pool make handling heavy video rendering, streaming software, and intense multitasking incredibly smooth. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE Radeon RX 9070 XT Gaming OC is a triumph of modern GPU engineering. AMD has provided an incredible core, and GIGABYTE has tuned it to absolute perfection with factory overclocks that push the boundaries of what desktop graphics cards can do. With 16 GB of VRAM and PCIe 5.0, you aren't just buying the card for today's games, you are investing in a piece of hardware that will dominate tomorrow's games as well. If you are ready to take your PC gaming experience to the absolute next level, you need to check this card out. I've placed a direct link to the GIGABYTE RX 9070 XT Gaming OC on Amazon right down in the description below. Clicking that link is the easiest way to check the most up-to-date pricing, read user reviews, and pick one up for your next ultimate PC build. And remember, using that link directly supports this channel and allows me to keep bringing you these deep dive tech reviews, so I truly appreciate it. What do you guys think of the 9070 XT? Are you planning to upgrade your GPU this year? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments section. I'd love to chat with you guys about it. If you found this video helpful, please do me a massive favor and hit that like button. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel and have the bell icon turned on so you never miss an upcoming hardware review.
Thank you so much for watching. Keep your frame rates high and your temperatures low, and I will see you all in the next video.